Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the sunny Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. It is actually winter here at the moment, but and we've had a lot of rain, believe it or not. We don't usually have rain in winter. We have it all through the summer. But anyway, today is a nice and bright sunny day. So I am back in my art room, trying to get motivated and create something beautiful to lift my spirit. So hopefully you're along for the ride. I'm making kind of a lovely lilac background, I thought. Something lilac-y for the summertime blues and colours that'll lift the spirits. So I'm going for the lilac for my background. So let's pour this beautiful colour. I believe that's perfect colour for me. Love it for my background for this particular pour. I'm going to try a different composition on this one with some colours that I have pre-mixed in bottles. And I hope that you really enjoy it. So I'm just really in the zone at the moment doing this and really feeling that I needed to get back into the art room, get motivated and stop feeling sorry for myself and create some art again. So this is therapeutic, even just brushing out your canvas for your base layer. So I'm using some this is just straight out purple that I had pre-mixed. So I'll layer my colours in the composition for each corner, I think. I think I'm going to just blow some of that purple into the negative space area to soften it up and give it a nice frilly effect. And I believe, yeah, this will be perfect for this particular composition. Now for the colour and bringing it all to life. So this is the, I think it's the crimson red. It's like a very nice, bright blood red. So start to layer my colours just in those two corners. Now here we go for my champagne gold, which I custom make myself out of 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. Makes this gorgeous champagne gold, and I think it really gives everything a pop, and it also makes your finished work sparkle because of the metallic in it. Just added that white, and now I'm just going to try and blow it out just with the dryer, the blower on very slow so I can control it and just get some soft movement in without making the paints muddy by mixing them too much. So it is creating some gorgeous colour in there. Now for a bit of black. So I will just add these puddles, and I think I will blow those out too. Yes, decided to blow those out with my straw. I know it looks messy at the moment, but bear with me, because there is a method in my madness that will really beautify this piece. So keep with me, keep patient, and I think you're going to love the way this one turned out. So of course, to bring out the detail and the magic in that straw blowout, I add in my little balloon on a sideways. Here we go again for the next exciting bit. I'm really loving how it's turning out. I love that I blew that paint out before I did these puddles. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one, and I sort of really want to try it in different colours on a bigger canvas maybe. So I hope that you're enjoying the process. Anyway, I am getting a few messages saying that they're not getting notifications, even though they're subscribed to my channel. They're not even seeing my videos come up in their feed. So I'm not sure what's happening with YouTube and doing that to creators. It seems it's happening to a lot of creators, even very, very tippy-toppy creators it's happening to. So the only thing I can suggest is maybe unsubscribe and then resubscribe and hit the notification bell and see if you get the notifications then and get my videos come up in your feed, because somebody said, oh, nice to see you're back. I haven't seen you put any videos up for ages. Well, of course, I don't think I've gone any longer than 3 days without putting a video up, so they're definitely regular for sure. So that's the only thing I can suggest. I don't even know if you can contact YouTube to ask them any information of why they're not showing content that you want to see. So I just go along my merry way, doing my best or trying my best and enjoying the process. And I really hope that you guys are still enjoying the videos. So I'm super duper happy how this is turning out. And I think it's got so much lovely movement in it, and the colours are just spot on. So I'll just whiz over it with a heat wand, burst any air bubbles in there, and then I'll bring the camera down a little bit closer and show you my end results.
Really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Super duper happy with this lilac lovely. Yeah, I was asked to do something with purple and lilac, and I didn't want to throw in too many colours like I mentioned, but I think that's just stunning. I love it. Dries beautiful. I might just do a little bit of gold detailing in there on the flowers, but super happy with that. It's quite lovely. I love the blown flowers and then just the added definition of the balloon. Lovely, lovely. Okay, my lovelies, please take care of yourself. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend or a helpline. There is always someone around to help you out. Bye for now.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when